Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my 7-minute sales machine review. I'm going to show you everything there is to know about this product, and I have a huge $3,175 custom made bonus to this, so probably the best bonus you will ever find to this product. Now, what is it all about? What does it do? Okay, so first of all, let me just mention that this is released by Jono Armstrong, Brendan Mace, and Frankie. And Frankie is actually the guy behind this method. Okay, so what he did is he found free super underground traffic sources that no one else is using. Now, I'm making money online full-time since 2014. I've never heard about these traffic sources. And the cool thing is that these work with anything, and the way Frankie makes money with it is with CPA marketing, which is super easy because with CPA marketing, obviously you don't have to sell anything to actually make money. Okay, so this is not like affiliate marketing where you just send traffic to your affiliate link and you only make money when someone buys something. This will make you money even when someone just enters their zip code or enters their email address. So let me share my screen right now and let's jump into this 7-minute sales machine review and demo. And even before I'm going to show you the sales page, I just went to Offer Vault and I found some CPA offers. Okay, so the misconception about CPA is that the payouts are low. Okay, so sometimes there are some CPA marketing offers that will pay you like 25 cents, 50 cents, $1 per lead or per opt-in or whatever it is. But there are some amazing CPA offers that pay you hundreds of dollars in some cases. Okay, so you can look this up yourself. Just go to offervault.com, and as you can see, there are plenty CPA offers that are paying $630 per lead, which means you don't even have to sell anything. And this is current, as you can see, the 12th of January. I'm recording this on the 13th of January. So 650. Look how many different CPA offers we have for $650. Then we have $500, we have $250, you know, and this is each per lead. Now, this is in the crypto and binary options niche, and obviously you can find a CPA offer about anything, about making money online, about baby diapers, about dog training, about any niche that you can think of, even giveaways. So, you know, in some cases, these CPA offers will even pay you just to do a free giveaway, and who doesn't want to win like a free iPhone, right? So it's super easy to make money with this, and that is what this product is about. So as you can see, the sales page will say warning, current pricing discount ending soon. So we're going to talk about pricing in a second. 7-minute sales machine, or 7-min sales machine. Sick of waiting for results? Brand new underground traffic sources make us $109 per day from just free done for you automated campaigns without paid ads, technical mumbo jumbo, or any previous experience. So as always, they're gonna have a very cool video sales retro right here. You can check all of this out in your own time. Essentially 3 simple steps. I'm going to show you all of this in a second. And again, no Facebook ads now, no launch jacking. You don't need an email list, and no solo ads. So essentially you're not paying for anything right here, a part of the course. Brendan Mace and Jono, these are the 2 guys behind the course, and Frankie, the guy that I'm going to show you in a second, actually made this work. This is the kind of money that he's making, guys. So as you can see, $109 here, $112, $79, $111, $60, $74. So, you know, it's not about making thousands of dollars, but it is about getting that first few sales in to prove to yourself that you can actually make money online. And again, this is fully automated. So even if you are already making money online, and if you want to make an extra $100 per day, this is a very cool method. Again, 7-minute sales machine. This is the name of this new product. I'm scrolling down. It's a little demo right here that you can check out. Scrolling down here, so again, no paid traffic, only free traffic, done for you offers, and you're gonna get 2 unique twists. I'm going to show you all of that in a second. Again, you know, the usual stuff that you always find on the sales page. 30 days money back guarantee, as always. Some bonuses. You're gonna get my bonuses on top of these bonuses. So again, Brendan, Jono, and Frankie Pellegrino. This is the guy that actually came up with this method. go through all of this in your own time. And right now let me show you the inside of the members area. Okay, so this is video training. Okay, there is no software included because you don't need any software. You don't need to learn how to use a new software. Essentially all you have to do is just go through all of these videos and then get your CPA link, use the traffic source, and bam, you are making money. Okay, so we have a welcome video from Jono right here. We have the method overview. We have signing up for CPA networks. Now this is very, very important because you will need to get approved by these CPA networks, and the way they show you how to do inside this video will actually get you guaranteed approval. Okay, so it's not like with affiliate networks, you actually have to get approved by these networks, but the way they do it is super easy and you're gonna get approval without any problems. Then we have picking CPA offers, obviously very, very important. Then we have Craigslist, so you can monetize this on Craigslist, but Craigslist is not one of these free traffic sources, okay? So this is like an additional traffic source for you. Then we have the recap, and then we have the free traffic sources. Okay, so I can't really share with you what these are because obviously these guys want you to buy the course. Not only they will reveal what it is, but also how to use it, right? So we have the secret traffic source number 1, 2, and 3. So you're getting these free traffic sources, and again, this is something that I've never seen, okay? And this works perfectly with CPA offers. And the only hint I can give you is that this is local, okay? So it doesn't mean that you have to do this in your local area, but it means that you're going to be finding local CPA offers, and you're going to be going after local traffic. Okay, so that's why this absolutely converts like crazy. And again, even if you are anywhere in the world, you know, US, Canada, Australia, India, Pakistan, wherever you are, you can do this locally for New York, Los Angeles, wherever you want. Okay, so this has nothing to do with local marketing, just targeting these local traffic pockets with local CPA offers. Okay, that's why it's so brilliant. Okay, so again, like I mentioned, iPhone giveaways. Probably, you know, 1,000 people is doing the same iPhone giveaway you're going to be doing, but with these local CPA offers and local traffic, no one else is doing this. Okay, so that's why your conversion rate will go through the roof, and you're going to make some super easy money with this. Okay, then we have the wrap up video and some recommended upgrades right here. So essentially this is it. Again, not much more to it than just going through these videos, implementing, and you can start making money. Again, no software, you don't have to learn any new complicated skill or anything of this sort. All you have to do is just grab your CPA link, use this traffic source, and make money. Super, super simple. And right now let's check out all of the upsells and the price. Okay, so as you can see, the main product will be $12.95, and everything I just showed you is included. So all the videos, and actually you're gonna get some done for you campaigns as well. Now, upgrade number 1, we have $47, and this will be 7-minute sales machine done for you. Okay, so you're gonna get done for your landing pages, done for your offers, and done for your funnels. Okay, so this will be $47, and obviously you don't need this to actually start making money with this system, but if you want to speed up the process and take out all the guesswork, that's first upgrade, $47. Upgrade number 2, we got $67, and for $67 you're getting 7-minute sales machine advanced training. So obviously Frankie will show you exactly how to make $100 per day. If you want to scale this up to $200, $300, even $500 per day, that's upgrade number 2, $67. So some of you guys are you know, okay with making $100 per day. You don't need more because maybe this is a part-time thing for you. But if you really want to scale this up, that's upgrade number 2. Upgrade number 3, $197. And right here what you're getting is the ultimate traffic package. So what you're gonna get is 7 hours worth of video on AdWords, YouTube ads, Facebook ads, and SEO. And on top of all this, you also can place your pixel, your Google Pixel on sales pages of these guys, which means that you're gonna instantly get a retargeting audience that you can target with any offer you want. Okay, so that's $197. And then we have the last OTO, which is $167, and this will be license rights to 7-minute sales machines. So essentially you can sell this product as your own and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel. Okay, so the main product and all 4 upgrades. Now guys, as always, OTOs are optional and you'll be fine with the main product alone, but maybe if you want the done for you package or maybe additional traffic with the pixel that you can place on these guys' pages, you can definitely think about picking one of these up. And right now let me mention that I have a full written review as always for you guys. So I have the funnel breakdown and I also have a breakdown of all of my bonuses, because as I mentioned to you, I have well over $3,000 worth of bonuses. So you're gonna get all these bonuses for free from me if you'll decide to pick up 7-minute sales machine through my link. And to do so, all you have to do is click on one of these blue links on my blog. If you are on my blog, or if you're watching this on YouTube, first link in the description, okay? The second link will take you to my blog. Now, 7-minute sales machine will be going live at 9 AM Eastern on January 15th. So the first link in the description from YouTube will only start working after 9 AM Eastern on January 15th. So please don't comment, the link doesn't work. It will work after the product goes live. Okay, now first of all, let me mention to you that I made 3 custom made bonuses especially for this promotion. So you're gonna get all 3 of these, and these are again custom made especially for this 7-minute sales machine promotion. Okay, then I'm going to give you a reseller's license to my own products, 3 of my own products. So this bonus alone is worth $500. Okay, you're gonna get a reseller's license to Traffic Trapper, Traffic Extractor, and Instabit. And as you can see, these resellers licenses are selling for $197. So $600 really, not $500. And on top of all this, I'm going to give you my done for you campaign. So I normally sell this as an OTO to my own products. You're gonna get it for free. And again, this is something that I normally sell. You're gonna get Buyers List Ninja, super helpful, especially for this promotion. It will show you how to build a buyers list. This is my own course. You're gonna get a piece of software, Urgency Suits Pro. Now this is for scaling up conversions, very helpful, and I'm actually using this software myself. Now on top of all this, you're gonna get a bunch of W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. You're gonna get the Lost Code, the Fuego Multiplier, the Secret Weapon, Fuego Breakout. You're gonna get my case study on free traffic. You're gonna get Tube Traffic Avalanche, Commission Blueprint, Launch Jacking, Instagram Marketing Made Simple and Profitable. You're gonna get 10x commissions, $10,000 per month, 10K a month online, and 11 additional bonuses. Okay, you're gonna get a Client Extractor, Image Grab, Viral Suite, Action Simulator, Facebook Audience Builder, Instant Publisher, Pinbook, Social Tracker, Traffic Hoover, Facebook Traffic Engine, Facebook Photo Contest, and 9 additional plugins: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and Short Code Call to Action. Now on top of all this, you're gonna get my mega bonus. Okay, my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses, and my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this will bring it up to a total of $3,175. Now again, you're gonna get all of these bonuses for free from myself, just as a thank you for picking up 7-minute sales machine through my link. And to do so, just use one of these blue links right here on my blog, or the first link in the description from YouTube. Now as you can see, again, I have a full written review. You can go through all of this if you like to read through this review as well. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. Now all you have to do to claim my bonus after picking up a 7-minute sales machine through my link is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus, click on your icon right here on the top right corner, go to purchase history, then click on 7-minute sales machine. This will bring up the delivery page, and below the green button that says access your purchase, you're gonna see another button saying bonus from Art, and this is how you're gonna get my bonus. Now this is delivered to you automatically, so you don't have to send me emails or any receipts. And if you will pick it up from my link, that's how you're gonna get all of the bonuses. Now I really like this product because I love CPA marketing. Okay, it's very easy to make money with it. Again, you don't have to sell anything to actually make these commissions, and in some cases the commissions are even bigger than affiliate marketing. So the thing is that is very important is to go after the right CPA offers, and then combined with these free traffic sources, you will just convert, make money. Super easy to start, super easy to scale, and you can just make bank with this in 2020. Okay guys, again, this is my 7-minute sales machine review. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on YouTube. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao.